What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Chillwell, and I'm back with another video, man. And in today's video, as you can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a clothing review / try-on haul to another gym brand today. The gym brand Mentality. If y'all don't know what Mentality is, go check them out on Instagram. It is a brand that just posts a bunch of inspirational quotes and inspirational videos, just getting you pumped up for the gym, for your sports you play, just in life in general. Yeah, and they have a clothing brand, and I bought a pump cover from them as well for the gym. If you haven't seen my last video where I did the C-Bomb or Chris Bumstead pump cover, y'all should go check that out. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. And welcome to my channel if you're new. I forgot to tell y'all that. If y'all new, my name's Chillwell. I post style, streetwear, and fashion content with gym content on the side. So this is a mixture of both, because we got graphic tees, but it's a gym graphic tee, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, with saying that, that's enough talking, man. Make sure to leave a like on this video, comment some more videos y'all wanna see. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, because we're almost at 5K. Well, we're not almost there, but we're trying to get there. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That'll be in a link tree in the description, as well as the link to this shirt if it's not sold out already. Go check that out. But that's enough talking, man. Let's get right into the video. All right, y'all, so quickly, I'm gonna pop up the picture right there. I do have the shirt in hand, but I'm not gonna show you what it looks like until in person until I put the shirt on me, you know what I'm saying? So just starting off, this shirt ran me for about 40 bucks. As you can see next to me, this is the back. I think it's the back of the shirt I saved to my phone. So the back of the shirt has wings, and it says the Mentality going down the middle of your spine, and the top M is like their little logo. It's just an M on their Instagram, so that's why the letter M is different than the rest of the letters. And on the front, it has the wings and the word Mentality, I think, going across the middle like this as well. But under it has like a quote, and it says, "Somebody got to be the best. Somebody got to be the winner. Why not you? Why not?" Something like that. And it's very inspirational. I really love this shirt. Like I said, it ran me $40. Shipping time only took less than a week for I'm trying to think. I ordered it right before spring break. A lot of these gym tees, if y'all seen my last video, like I said, the C-Bum one, you know, a lot of these I ordered around the same time, and I ordered them right before spring break, and it only took like a week to get here, but I ordered it by my school. So when I was at home, I didn't have a chance to do a review on it, so that's why I'm doing them now. But yeah, so it only took about less than a week, so shipping time was really good. Like I said, the price was $40. Yeah, I got a size large. I am 5'6", between 170 and 180. I haven't weighed myself in a while, but I know I'm not less than that or more than that right now. So yeah, if y'all want to use me as a reference, that's how much I weigh and how tall I am. And yeah, I think I said I got a size large, but that's basically all the details. I really can't do more than that, but show y'all how it looks on me. So yeah, with saying that, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks on me, and I'll get back to y'all. So let's get into the B-roll. Let's. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video, man. Real quick disclaimer, all three of these videos that I made recently in the past week that y'all probably seen or that you're watching, if this is the first one you're watching, then you'll understand when I post the next ones. But if you're watching the ones that I posted after the first review I did in the past week, then you'll understand as well. But what I'm trying to say is, I'm using this same intro, not said intro, the same outro for 3 different videos, because I'm doing a review with all 3 of the shirts at the same time on the same day, and I didn't feel like making 3 separate outros. It makes no sense. So just let y'all know that, so if y'all see the same outro for 3 different videos, y'all know why. So starting off with the Chris Bumstead shirt that I did, the Chris Bumstead and the Dark Sport shirt, actually, they are a size large. Like I said, that's how it looks on me. It fits very oversized. It fits perfectly. So like I said, if you're in between, you know, 170 and 180, it will look good on you. And I'm not gonna lie, even if you're taller than me, I'm only 5'6". I'm gonna be real. As long as you're not over 6 foot, a large, if you're not over 6 foot and you weigh in between 170 and 180, a large will fit y'all great, fit y'all perfectly. Now, if you're pushing, you know, 6'3", 6'4", you might want to get an extra large, just because the length at the bottom. The sleeves, though, even if you're taller but you're the same weight as me, it should fit good. So yeah, just letting y'all know that, you know, just to give y'all a reference, you know what I'm saying? And then for the Mentality shirt, as you can see, very good fitting shirt. It's not too tight, but it's not as big as I liked. If I would have knew that's how it would fit, I would probably got a double XL. I mean, not double XL, XL, just for me, because I like it. Like I said, I want it to be all the way down here over my arm and stuff, because it's a pump cover. You take it off after you get your pump. So yeah, shirts overall fire though. Like I wouldn't trade it in, none of that, you know. I just know for next time I will get an extra large. But I'm still rock this shirt. It still fits very good. Like I said, 5'6". I'm between 170 and 180. That's a large as well. So yeah, y'all want, that's the reference. But yeah, the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, just let me know. Like I said, this is the same outro for 3 different videos. So if you're watching this one and haven't seen the other 2, go check those out. They're 3 different clothing reviews, so y'all shouldn't be able to miss it. So yeah, with saying that, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. That will be in the description below and in the corner of the screen. And the link to the brand that I just did a review on will be in the description below as well. So go check them out. Let's get the 5K, and I will catch y'all in the next one.